Hi, today I'm going to show you how I make a really simple beef keema curry. They're traditionally made with frozen peas, but I've got a glut of fresh peas, so I'm going to use those instead. Really yummy. Here's what you'll need to make the curry. Adding a couple of tablespoons of good quality oil. I'm using Berta Gold, and then I add my onions and allow them to sweat until soft. Now that the onions are soft and translucent, I'm adding the garlic, ginger and bay leaves and all the other spices. I'm going to cook those through slowly, just to get some depth of flavour. With my trusty wooden spoon. Next in goes the beef. I'm going to mix that through well. Now that that's nice and brown, in go the tomatoes and about 100 millilitres of water. You might need more at the end. And stir and let that simmer. And now in go the peas and mix those through well. And now I'm just removing the bay leaf and I'm adding most of the coriander, mixing that through, and the rest will garnish. And here it is, the finished dish, the beef keema curry with peas. You can use fresh or frozen. It's absolutely delicious. Enjoy.